वीडियो में बेसिकली हमने डिले इन क्लैंपिंग पे लेफ्ट आउट किया था. डिले इन क्लैंपिंग फॉर 2 to 3 minutes or till the cessation of the cord pulsation facilitate the transfer of 80 to 100 ml of the blood from the compressed placenta to a baby when placed below the level of the यूट्रस. ठीक है, डिले इन क्लैंपिंग हम करेंगे 2 to 3 मिनट्स के लिए. ठीक है, टिल द सेसेशन ऑफ द कॉर्ड पल्सेशन, जब तक कि कॉर्ड में पल्सेशन है. ठीक है, कॉर्ड में पल्सेशन बंद हो जाएगी. दैट फैसिलिटेट द ट्रांसफर ऑफ 80 to 100 ml ऑफ द ब्लड फ्रॉम द कंप्रेस्ड प्लासेंटा to a baby when placed below the level of the uterus. ठीक है, this is beneficial to mature baby but may be deleterious to a preterm or the low birth baby due to the hypervolemia. ठीक है, मैच्योर बेबी के लिए तो ये सब बेनिफिशियल होता है, लेकिन अगर मान लो प्रीटर्म बेबी है या लो बर्थ बेबी है तो उसमें हाइपर वॉल्यूमिया हो जाएगा, हाइपर बिलिरुबिनीमिया हो जाएगा, तो उसके लिए डिलीटेरियस है. ठीक है, बट अर्ली क्लैंपिंग शुड बी डन इन केसेस ऑफ द RH इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी. अगर RH इनकम्पैटिबिलिटी है तो अर्ली क्लैंपिंग करेंगे टू प्रिवेंट द एंटीबॉडी ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द मदर टू द बेबी. ठीक है, और द बेबी इज बोर्न एस्फाक्सिएटेड और वन ऑफ द डायबिटिक मदर है तो हमें अर्ली क्लैंपिंग करनी है. ठीक है, कॉर्ड इज यूजुअली क्लैम्प्ड आफ्टर द क्लीनिंग द एयरवे आफ्टर अबाउट 1 to 2 minutes of the birth. Early clamping reduces the need of the phototherapy due to hyperbilirubinemia. Quick check is made to detect any gross abnormality. The baby is wrapped with the dry warm towel and the identification tape is tied both on the wrist of the baby and the mother. Once the management of the third stage is over, usually 10 to 20 minutes, the baby is given to the mother or to the nurse. Management of the third stage of the labor, that is third stage is most crucial stage, that is previously uneventful first and the second stage can become abnormal within a minute with the disastrous consequences. The principle underlying the management of the third stage of the labor to ensure the strict vigilance and to follow the management guideline strictly in the practice so as to prevent the complication. The important one being the postpartum hemorrhage. The steps of the management, two methods of the management are currently in the practice, that is इसमें दो चीज़ें होती हैं. एक तो एक्सपेक्टेड मैनेजमेंट हम करते हैं थर्ड स्टेज ऑफ द लेबर में. ठीक है, एक्सपेक्टेड मैनेजमेंट में डिलीवरी ऑफ द बेबी, क्लैम्प, डिवाइड एंड लाइगेट द कॉर्ड, वेट एंड वॉच करेंगे, कैथेटराइज करेंगे ब्लैडर को अगर नीड है, गार्ड द फंडस, वेट फॉर द स्पॉन्टेनियस सेपरेशन ऑफ द प्लासेंटा, प्लासेंटा सेपरेट कर जाएगी, वेट फॉर द स्पॉन्टेनियस एक्सपल्जन ऑफ द एक्सपल्जन विद द एड ऑफ द ग्रेविटी, अगर फेल कर गई तो असिस्टेड एक्सपल्जन कराएंगे. ठीक है, इसमें इंजेक्शन ऑक्सीटोसिन 5 to 10 यूनिट्स स्लोली IVIM और मेथर्जिन देंगे 0.2 मिलीग्राम इंटरमस्कुलरली टू एग्जामिन द प्लासेंटा एंड द मेम्ब्रेन टू इंस्पेक्ट द वल्वा, वेजाइना एंड पेरिनियम. एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट करते हैं, दैट इज इंजेक्शन ऑक्सीटोसिन 10 यूनिट्स इंट्रामस्कुलर देते हैं या फिर मेथर्जिन 0.2 mg इंट्रामस्कुलर टू द मदर देंगे विद इन 1 minute ऑफ द डिलीवरी ऑफ द बेबी. इंजेक्शन 10 यूनिट्स IM या फिर इंजेक्शन ऑक्सीटोसिन के बाद मेथर्जिन दे सकते हो 0.2 mg IM. ठीक है, मदर विद इन 1 minute ऑफ द डिलीवरी ऑफ द बेबी. फिर उसके बाद क्लैम्प, डिवाइड एंड लाइगेट द कॉर्ड टू डिलीवर द प्लासेंटा बाय द कंट्रोल कॉर्ड ट्रैक्शन soon after the delivery of the baby. ठीक है, तो एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट में क्या है, पहले तो इंजेक्शन ऑक्सीटोसिन या मेथर्जिन हम यूज़ करेंगे, फिर दूसरा है तुम्हारा टू डिलीवर द प्लासेंटा, कंट्रोल कॉर्ड ट्रैक्शन करते हैं इसमें एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट में. ठीक है, soon after the delivery of the baby अवेल द फर्स्ट यूट्राइन कॉन्ट्रैक्शन, अगर फेल हो गया तो रिपीट करते हैं आफ्टर 2 to 3 मिनट, फिर से फेल हो गया वेट फॉर 10 minutes, रिपीट द प्रोसीजर. फेल होता है तो मैनुअल रिमूवल फिर हम करेंगे. ठीक है, इंजेक्शन ऑक्सीटोसिन 5 to 10 यूनिट स्लोली IVIM और मेथर्जिन 0.2 mg टू एग्जामिन द प्लासेंटा एंड द मेम्ब्रेन, देन इंस्पेक्ट द वल्वा, वेजाइना एंड द पेरिनियम. ठीक है, एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट प्रेफर्ड होता है थर्ड स्टेज लेवल में और एक्सपेक्टेड मैनेजमेंट दो तरह से हो सकता है. एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट ऑफ द थर्ड स्टेज ऑफ द लेबर. द अंडरलाइंग प्रिंसिपल इन द एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट इज excite powerful uterine contraction within 1 minute of the delivery of the baby. बेबी की डिलीवरी होने के within 1 minute हमें excite करना है contraction of the uterus. ठीक है. By giving parenteral oxytocics, this facilitates not only the early separation of the placenta but also produces effective contraction following its separation. The advantages are it minimizes the blood loss in the third stage approximately 1/5. जो blood loss है वो approximately 1/5 minimize कर देता है, approximately to 1/5. ठीक है. To shorten the duration of the third stage to half. थर्ड स्टेज का ड्यूरेशन है वो आधा कर देता है. ठीक है. रेड्यूसेस मैटरनल एनीमिया की जन्स होने कम कर देते हैं. The only disadvantage is slight increase incidence of the retained placenta. केवल एक disadvantage है slight increase incidence of the retained placenta and the consequent increase incidence of the manual removal of the course. Accidental administration during the delivery of the first baby is undiagnosed twins produces grave dangers to the unborn second baby caused by asphyxia due to the tetanic contraction of the uterus. It is imperative to the limit its use in the twins only following the delivery of the second baby. ठीक है. only following the delivery of the second baby हम करते हैं. ठीक है. अगर twins है तो प्रोसीजर क्या है. ऑक्सीटोसिन का इंजेक्शन 10 यूनिट इंटरमस्कुलर लगाएंगे, प्रिफर्ड है. ठीक है. मिथर्जिन 0.2 mg इंटरमस्कुलर यूज कर सकते हो. इन द गिवन is given within 1 minute of the delivery of the baby. The placenta is expected to delivered soon following the delivery of the baby. हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि प्लासेंटा आ जाएगी आफ्टर डिलीवरी ऑफ द बेबी. If the placenta is not delivered thereafter, it should be delivered forthwith by the controlled contraction branded and Drew technique after clamping the cord while uterus still remains contracted. ठीक है. Banded technique by after clamping the cord while the uterus still remain contracted. If the first attempt fail, अगर पहला attempt fail हो जाता है, ठीक है, another attempt is made after 2 to 3 minutes, failing which another attempt is made at 10 minutes. If this still fails, manual removal is to be done. Oxytocic may be given with the crowning of the head, delivery of the anterior shoulder of the baby, or after the delivery of the placenta. If the administration is mistimed, as might happen in the busy labor room, one should not panic but conduct the third stage with the conventional watchful expectancy. Active management. To be effective, oxytocin should be administered in proper time, followed by rapid delivery of the placenta. Thus, it may be ideal procedure while the delivery is conducted in an equipped surrounding and the skilled birth attendant is present in the management. Active management is centrally of the value for the cases like develop the postpartum, जिनमें पेशेंट में postpartum hemorrhage वगैरह होने के चांसेस हैं, उनमें एक्टिव मैनेजमेंट ज़्यादातर करना चाहिए. These cases are anemia, hydromenous, twin, grand multipara, previous history of PPH. Tablet misoprostol 600 microgram can be given orally rectally in the case with the home delivery. It can be given by a community health worker. ठीक है. Methergine should not be used in the cardiac cases or the severe preeclampsia for the risk of precipitating cardiac overload in the former and aggravation of the blood pressure in the later. ठीक है. तो बेसिकली जो कार्डियक केसेस हैं उनमें कार्डियक ओवरलोड हो जाएगा और प्री एक्लेम्शिया के केसेस में ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है. ठीक है. नाउ असिस्टेड एक्सपल्जन दैट इज कंट्रोल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन बोलो या फिर मॉडिफाइड ब्रांड्स एंड्रयूस मेथड. The palmar surface of the finger, जो palmar surface of the finger होता है of the left hand is placed above the pubic symphysis approximate at the junction upper and the lower uterine segment. The body of the uterus is pushed upward. जो body of the uterus है वो push upward हो जाती है towards the umbilicus, while by the right hand steady tension but not too strong traction is given in the downward backward direction, holding the clamp until the placenta comes outside the interosseous. ठीक है, it is thus more a uterine elevation which facilitates the expulsion of the placenta. Procedure is to be adopted only when the uterus is hard and contracted. यूट्रस हार्ड और कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड है तभी हम इस प्रोसीजर को बड़ा करेंगे. ठीक है. फंडल प्रेशर, जो फंडस है, फंडस इज पुश्ड डाउनवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड after placing the four fingers behind the fundus, the thumb in front using the uterus as sort of piston. Pressure must be given only when the uterus become hard. If it is not, then make it hard by gentle rubbing. The pressure is to be withdrawn soon as the placenta passes through the interosseous. If the baby is macerated or premature, or method is preferable to the cord traction, as the tensile strength of the cord is much reduced in both of the instances. The cord may be accidentally torn, which is not likely to cause any कोई problem नहीं होगी. The sterile gloved hand should be introduced and the placenta is to be grasped and extracted. Uterus is massaged to make it hard, which facilitates the expulsion of the retained clots if any. Injection of oxytocin 5 to 10 units IV slowly or methergine 0.2 mg is given intramuscularly. Oxytocin is more stable and has lesser side effect compared to ergometrin. Ergometrin में nausea, vomiting and rise in blood pressure होता है. ठीक है. By examination of the placental membrane in the cord, placenta is placed on the tray and is washed out in the running tap water to remove the blood and the clots. The maternal surface is first. जो maternal surface है उसको पहले इंस्पेक्ट करेंगे for the completeness and the anomalies. Maternal surface is covered with a greyish residua. Maternal surface जो होता है वो greyish residua से covered होता है. Spongy layer of the residua basalis. Normally the cotyledons are placed in close approximation and any gap indicates a missing cotyledon. The membrane, that is chorion and amnion, are to be examined carefully for the completeness and the presence of the abnormal vessel indicative of the succinate lobe. amnion is shiny but the chorion is shaggy. जो amnion है वो shiny होती है और जो chorion होती है वो shaggy होती है. The cut end of the cord is inspected for the number of the blood vessel. Normally there are two umbilical arteries, one umbilical vein. Normally there are two umbilical arteries and one umbilical vein. An oval gap in the chorion with the torn ends of the blood vessel running up to the margin of the gap indicate missing succinate lobe, and the absence of the cotyledon or the evidence of the missing succinate lobe or the evidence of significant missing membrane demands exploration of the uterus urgently. Vulva, vagina और perineum उनको इंस्पेक्ट करोगे carefully for the injuries to be repaired and to be repaired if any. The episiotomy wound is now sutured. जो episiotomy wound होता है उसे suture करना है. The vulva and the adjoining part are cleaned with the cotton swab soaked in the antiseptic solution. A sterile pad is placed over the vulva. Then expectant management जो कि traditional होता है. Expectant management, in this management the placental separation and the descent into the vagina are allowed to occur spontaneously. Minimally assistance may be given to the placental expulsion if needed. Constant watch is mandatory and the patient should not be left alone. Mother is delivered in the lateral position, and she should be changed to the dorsal position to note the feature of the placental separation and to assess the amount of the blood loss. Hand is placed over the fundus to recognize the sign of the separation of the placenta, to note the state of the uterine activity, that is contraction or the relaxation, to detect though rare cupping of the fundus, which an early evidence of the inversion of the uterus. ठीक है. Desire to fiddle with the fundus or the massage the uterus is to be strongly condemned. The placenta is separated within minutes. Placenta within minutes में separate हो जाती है. Following the birth of the baby, watchful expectancy can be extended up to 15 to 20 minutes. In some institution, no touch or the hands of policy is employed. The patient is expected to expel the placenta within 20 minutes with the aid of the gravity. Expulsion of the placenta, that is only the features of the placental separation and its descent into the lower segment are confirmed. The patient is asked to bear down simultaneously with the hardening of the uterus. The raised intra-abdominal pressure is often adequate to expel the placenta. The patient fails to expel, one can wait safely up to 10 minutes if there is no bleeding. अगर कोई bleeding नहीं होती है, as soon as the placenta passes through the introitus, it is grasped by the hand and around twisted round and round with the gentle traction so that the membranes are stripped intact. If the membrane threatened to tear, they are caught hold of the by the sponge holding forceps in the similar twisting movement. The rest of the membrane are delivered. Gentleness and patience and the care are prerequisite for the complete delivery of the membrane. If the spontaneous expulsion fails or non-practicable because of the delivery under the anesthesia, any one of the two assistant method discussed above can be used to expedite expulsion. Fourth stage of the labor: pulse, blood pressure, tone of the uterus well retracted, and any abnormal vaginal bleeding are to be watched at least for 1 hour after the delivery. When fully satisfied, the general condition is good, pulse and the blood pressure are steady, the uterus is well retracted, and there is no abnormal vaginal bleeding, the patient is sent to the ward. And hence, this completes the whole series of lectures of normal labor. ठीक है. So you all can go to my previous videos to watch these lectures, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos where I will be covering other important topics as well. Thank you guys.